Hello and welcome to my video about my current stock portfolio in November. Today we're going to discuss what I did with my stocks since the last video I made on October 14th, 2017, which is a stock portfolio video. Before I start this video, I want to let people know that on Monday, November 13th, 2017, we are heading to Aurora's annual shareholder meeting. I will let everyone know what my thoughts are in another video. Also, I want to let people know that I bought two new stocks this month, the Lithium stock and the Canopy Growth Corp. I'm not going to go into the specifics of these two new stocks that I've just bought, but if you are interested in Lithium stock, please do your own research. I will make a video in the future on why I invested in Lithium. My second stock, Canopy Growth, which I bought at $14.11 and again at $16.05. I used up most of my cash buying into these two companies, so even if Plug Power drops dramatically, I won't have the cash to buy more. I still keep tabs on a variety of other stocks. AMD's most recent report predicted the revenue to fall between 12 to 18% for the fourth quarter of this year. But I believe AMD is back on track to becoming a profitable company because from last year's fourth quarter report to this one, they have an actual 26% growth in the entire year. I listened to the press conference and I was impressed. I know that the consoles market make up a big chunk of their revenue and has helped them restabilize their revenue. I have decided that I will keep 5,000 AMD shares. I want to see how AMD turns out. When I lose interest in the company, I will sell those shares. I want AMD to succeed as a company, but most traders don't care about the company and they only want to make money from the stock. This drop in stock price is an opportunity to buy more. I believe the company will hit $25 or more by the fall of 2018 for three reasons. Reason number one, around third quarter of 2018 is when AMD will sell the most chipsets to Microsoft and Sony, and there will be the possibility of a PlayStation 5. Reason number two is Facebook's new wireless Oculus Rift headset, which will cost around $200, and their plan to launch in the fall of 2018. I believe AMD will benefit from this the most. Third reason is AMD's new APU, which stands for Accelerated Processing Unit, that utilizes and incorporates both the central processor and the graphics processor into one chip. It uses Ryzen CPU and Vega GPU technology, which will make it more powerful than a PS4, and it only runs at 15 watts. So Facebook could potentially make a deal with AMD to release an Oculus Rift bundle that includes a headset and computer that will only cost between $500 and $700. And if the user decides to add a Vega 11 GPU, they could potentially have a powerful gaming computer for under $1,000. Right now, AMD is still recovering, and if the larger companies like Intel and Nvidia decide to interfere with AMD's path to recovery, there isn't much AMD can do about it. Intel, being such a large corporation, makes it a huge risk factor for buying into AMD stocks. As for Nvidia, they currently do not even acknowledge AMD as competition. With the recent announcements, Constellation Brands is to buy 9.9% stake in Canopy Growth Corporation, and the option to buy an additional 10%. Once this is fully complete, Canopy will have $500 million in cash and a powerful business partner. I believe Aurora could be the next target to be bought up by another major US company, so I plan to hold Aurora long term and not be greedy. I truly believe that the Mary Jane market is very big and has the potential to make a lot of investors a lot of money. I will keep you guys updated on what went on in the meeting and hopefully let me film the shareholder meeting. As for Plug Power, I missed my opportunity to buy back in when the stock prices fell. Now that I have no cash thanks to Canopy and I don't have an opportunity to buy Plug unless I sell my other stocks to buy Plug. I don't have anything new to report on the company. I have been following the company closely, but with all the world leaders that are worrying about the environment, it might be a good buy with Amazon backing the company. RTI is a company I have not sold any shares for since I bought into it. I believe this company will one day have $1 billion market cap, so I will wait and see how this plays out. If it dips back into the 60-cent range, I might buy back in. Hemco is also doing incredibly well too. I missed an opportunity to buy the stock, or else I would have doubled my money from that company. At least Aurora will own 50.1% of the company, so I will indirectly own Hemco stock too. TRTC is a stock that I will treat as a swing trade stock. I will sell when I'm up a lot, and if it drops to around 16 cents, I will pick up even more shares. Nevada is reporting sales numbers every month. I believe in July they reported $25 million of revenue, and August was $33 million. I believe Colorado is reporting $100 million revenue from the Mary Jane industry. There's also been a huge rise in the support for legalization of Mary Jane in the United States. I can't wait for the day cannabis becomes legal in the United States federally so that Aurora and Canopy can trade on the New York Stock Exchange. Now lastly, Dinosaur. I still don't like this company and I haven't been keeping up with their news. Hopefully they managed to show some real revenue like they promised 1 year ago. I'm still waiting for them to show off the new HG2 model. I believe I'm taking a risk holding on to my shares, but there's a chance I'm wrong and the company actually makes a lot of money. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like the video. Subscribe for future content. I plan to keep making videos for at least 1 year to see how far I can make it on YouTube. Like always, have a good day.